Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up my latest Profit box. Actually I've been working very hard on Profit box, trying to pass the Profit challenges within 1 month. As time goes, I'm trying to pass the Profit challenges within 10 days, but at the moment 1 month is a reasonable time. Obviously with a maximal drawdown below 5%. First of all, I'd like to talk about the box objectives. So essentially the box will provide at least 10% monthly returns with maximal drawdown below 5%, which is suitable for cash account as well as profit account management. So there's no problems running the box on cash accounts, and actually you can adjust the lot size according to your risk tolerance and also risk to reward ratio. But most likely your trading capital will be preserved, so no loss of trading capital. Okay. Now there are trades on a daily basis. The box is strategies. Actually, no risk, no martingale. Just plain trading one trade at a time. You have the option to open multiple trades at a time. Platforms. The box runs on MT4 and MT5 at the moment. Only MT5 version is available. I will book on MT5 version later on. Setup is very simple. It would take you 5 minutes for setup. Let's dive in the setup quickly. First of all, you got to download all the files on the links below the video. Then you put all the files in your appropriate MT5 folders. So first of all, to book the box itself in your MT5 folder, book it under your MT5 files. You got open file, data folder. MT5 Experts. So you just can book in the box itself in this folder, or you might want to create a subfolder. So in this case, I create my subfolder because I have so many boxes working at the moment. So book in here. Alright, so you can book the trial versions under this folder, the experts folder. Alright. Next, you got to book 2 files under files folder. So then again, go to file, open data folder. Alright, so go to MT5 files. So you got to book these 2 files, run timvinh and timvinh.js. Alright. Alright, so next, so what you got to do, you got to attach the box to the EURUSD chart. So you attach this one. Now you have the options with the inputs. So you have the option to open multiple trades at a time or one trade at a time. Lot size. So I book it here, lots per balance. So it could provide you flexibilities in adjusting your lot size. So for cash account management, you have the options, to trade lot size according to your risk reward ratio. Take profit points, you can adjust these ones. Stop loss also. Alright, so there aren't many inputs here, just very simple ones. Alright, click OK. Now next thing is you got to save the templates for this chart. So right click on the EURUSD chart after loading the box. Go to templates, save templates, and you got to set the templates under this name, timvinh. Okay, .tpl. Save it. All right. So next is to run the signal catcher. So you go to File, you go to Open Data folder. All right. So I got to close many windows open. You go to MT5 the file. Click on Run _ timvinh. So what this window does is actually to catch signal sent out from my master account. All right, waiting for it's finished startup. So when it finishes startup, you will see the message there. So I got to close this one. All right. Okay, so when you finish startup finishes, you will see this message ready. Okay. So please leave this window open at all time to catch signal sent out from my master account. All right, that's all. So so you just leave it runs 24/7 hours. Okay, 24 hours, 5 days a week. Okay, let it try itself and to see the results for yourself. Now, so when there are trades occurring, you will see signal sent out from my master account, and trade will be placed. Okay, so on the daily basis, you can check out trading results. So so I welcome as many people as possible to test out my latest profit box. So for this trial versions, it will expire mid-April 2025. So as time goes, I will extend the trial versions to test, the box for yourself. So so if you're interested in the box, please contact me on Telegram. The ID, my Telegram ID below the video. Okay, so we work out a deal for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.